Hey there, it's Anna with WTI. And I bet you can't tell, but I'm wearing a smart ring right now.
I've been really wanting a smart ring lately, and this one is the perfect thing. It comes with so much from a unique little charging case, an extra charging cord, and three rubber rings that you can put around your smart ring to keep it from getting scratched, or when you are working out and you want it to be a little more comfortable. It is so perfect. The charge lasts for so long. I wore mine for a solid week without having to charge it. I really enjoy how the app works as well. It has a few different features, and I love that I can check my blood pressure and my heart rate, and I really enjoy the sleep tracking. It also has a really cool remote photography feature, and it's just such a great little accessory to have if you want to monitor your health. If you've been looking for a great little affordable smart ring,
This one from UniJethro is perfect. I really enjoy it, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.